Hi everyone and welcome to Cryptospective. Please join our community on Discord app through the link provided in the description of this video. Also follow us on Steemit to upvote and re-steam our content if you like it. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin price and where we see it heading. We've previously done a technical analysis on it last week and we expected the drop. You can refer to that in our Steemit page. And today we're going to be talking about some more indicators telling us that the price might further go down. We're hearing a lot of analysts saying that the price of Bitcoin will go down to 4,800 level, and I'll explain why. So I'm looking at the Bitstamp chart for Bitcoin on the monthly chart, and the only support level that is there on the monthly is here. It is at 4,812 level. So let me mark that up. All right. Now, coincidentally or not, because this is the science of technical analysis, that the support level is also exactly touching the slow-moving average, which is the blue line we are seeing here. This is also a second indicator that tells me that the price is gonna go down and touch at this support level and probably bounce off from there, because that will be acting as a very strong support level, knowing that it is a price it's a place where the price has bounced before, and also it is the slow moving average. Another indicator that tells me that the price is going to go further down is the stochastic indicator here, with two very steep downward moving averages going down into the oversold zone. Also, they are very steep, so this might happen sooner than we think. The third indicator is that if we look at the fast moving average, the red line here, we can see that it's never went and closed below the fast moving average. Today is 31st of March, meaning that by midnight tonight, Lebanon time, a new candle will form. And that new candle is most likely to open below the fast moving average, which is a precedent that has not happened since a very long time, probably maybe in 2015. So with that in mind, if the price closes below the moving average, which is most likely going to happen, then it will open below it. And if it opens below it, it's probably going to go slightly upwards, touch that moving average before continuing down into the 4,800 expected level. All right, let me just fix that a little bit here. Okay. So we've got now three indicators so far telling us that the price is in a downward movement. We've got a trend line here. Let's see where it takes us. Well, we are still in a downtrend, of course. I got one, two, three touches. It's gonna open again, probably touch somewhere here, and then go back down. So tonight is going to be very important to see where the price will open for Bitcoin, but it's most likely going to open below the fast moving average. Let's move into the weekly chart and see what we've got. Okay, on the weekly chart as well, we have a strong support that was broken here around 7,357 level. So it's been broken already, and Sunday is gonna be the end of the week, so we will see where the price will be taking us. I wouldn't be surprised really to see the price going down to at least 6,200 or 6,300 in the next couple of days, maybe sooner than that, and then eventually hit 4,800. See, the 4,800 level isn't really far-fetched. It's really close if we look on the weekly chart. Now let's see, the stochastic indicator also here tells me that the price attempted to move here to try to break up into the no man's zone, failed, but then went back down. It still has room to go down, so we're also positive that the trend is going down. Now if we also fix the trend line here to make it more engulfing to the weekly chart, we can also see that here we can see that it is still in a downtrend. There had been a breakout a few times once here and a second time here, but it could not sustain. Still in a downtrend. We've spoken previously about the channel, and I drew that in a previous video showing how the price was still traveling in a downtrend channel. So let's also move to the daily chart and see where things are headed. Same thing. On the daily chart, stochastic indicator is going downwards into the oversold zone. Still has plenty of room to go down. It is trading below both moving averages. The attempt to go up today that we have seen is because in the past 2 days we have seen a big drop, so it's attempting to do some correction to try and touch the fast moving average. Maybe it will just stabilize a little bit, but it's most probably going to close below it. It might go up today a little bit, perhaps up to 7,300 or 7,500. But with the end of the day, by the time the candle closes, the fast moving average, the red one, will come closer to it, making it touch there. Now, also we can see that there's a strong support here at 6,965, which is almost where the price is currently trading. So it's really not holding. We'll have to wait a couple of hours to see. And then the next strong support would be on the daily, if we're talking about daily, would be around 5,700. Not a very strong support level, but you know, it might do a little bit of a bounce back here before touching our targeted uh, level, support level, which is at 4,800. So we've got several indicators telling us that the price will go back down. How far will it go? If it couldn't break the 6,900 level today and close below it, then probably it might retrace up a little bit, but only temporarily. We are most likely to see at least a drop towards 6,000 level, or going down to 4,800 before we see a final bounce back into an uptrend. This was the update on our analysis. I hope you enjoyed it. Please join our community and see you next time.